weekend at home with your families and made your mommies feel very special yesterday for Mother's Day. We're going to get started by learning about what day it is today. Today is Eat Anything You Want Day. If you could eat anything in the whole world that you wanted, what would you eat? I think Mrs. Parent would have a quesadilla because quesadillas are my favorite food. What's yours? Oh, that's yummy too. We're going to look at our calendar. Remember, we are in the month of May. You're right. Let's spell it. M-A-Y. May. And we're in the year 2020. 2020. Now we are at home on number 9 and number 10. So I'm going to cross out those numbers. We didn't see Mrs. Parent on the computer for those days. And today is number 11. 1 is 11. So we're going to count to 11. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. The question of the day today is, do you like broccoli? Broccoli is Mrs. Parent's favorite vegetable. So I would do thumbs up. I love broccoli. Do you like broccoli? Yes or no? Some of you do and some of you don't, and that's okay. If you don't like broccoli, maybe you have other vegetables that are your favorite. I'll be showing you some different vegetables the rest of the week too. What color is our broccoli? Can you tell me? Green, you're right. Green vegetable broccoli. We have a new letter of the week today, and I'm going to show you what Alpha Friend it is. What letter? G, you're right. This is the letter G, and G is for Gertie Goose. And the sound that G makes is G, G, G. You say it all the way back in your G, G. Good job. Now for our uppercase G, you're going to go around and back in a little bit. You just do a little line back in. Like a circle. Around and back in. It's kind of tricky when you first start writing it. But once you practice, I'm sure you'll get it. Uppercase G. And our lowercase G. Lowercase G is a circle with a hook. That is our lowercase G. Our new shape today is star. You're right. If you said star, you're right. What color is our star? It is yellow. And did you know that stars have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points? Stars have 5 points, and it starts with the letter S. S-T-A-R. Star. Our shape of the week is a star. Our number of the week is 7. This is the number 7. And just like star, it starts with the letter S too. And 7 we go straight across and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. Straight across and down from heaven. That is how you make a 7. Good job, boys and girls. That is our number this week, 7. I'll show you our board one more time. Let's say it together. G, G, G. Star, 7. Good job. Now, I am going to tell you what you're going to do today at home, okay? We have a couple fun activities. This week, we are going to be learning about spring and all the fun activities we can do, how the weather changes, what happens to nature in the spring. And today, we're going to start with a book called Flower Garden, because during the springtime, lots of flowers start to grow. So you're going to listen to that story, and then you're going to answer the question Mrs. Parent asks at the end, okay? For math, we are going to do some coin sorting. Okay, so you're going to ask your mommies or daddies or grandmas or grandpas for some change. Okay, Mrs. Parent got some change, and then they can print out this paper, or they can draw on a paper like this. Show you. You can draw a line on paper for 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. You need 4 spots because there's 4 different types of coins. We have quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. Okay? So you're going to try and sort by the type it is. So if I'm looking for a quarter, this is what my quarter is going to look like. See how it looks like this picture? Where's my quarter? Right here is the head, and then I flip it over, and I have the eagle for the tails. So if I find a quarter, it's going to go in this box. A dime is the smallest coin, okay? And so if you're looking for a dime, you're going to look for the pictures that match, and it would go here with the dimes. The nickels are the thickest ones. See how thick it is? And on the back, you have a picture of a building. And on the front, you have a picture of a head as well. We have a head and we have a tails. So you're going to match it. If you find a nickel, you're going to put it with the nickels. And a penny is the only one that is a different color. It's darker. It's made of copper. And these are silver. See, the color is different. So if you find a penny, the pennies are going to go with the pennies. So you can get a handful of change and sort it into 4 groups. If you're having trouble doing that, you can sort it by color. So put all the silver ones together and all the brown ones together. Okay? So there's a couple different ways you can sort, but I want you to try like this first. Okay? In the 4 different ways. For our social emotional today, you are going to be doing a jungle activity to start your day. On the daily learning plan, you will see a picture with directions on page 4 of the learning plan, and the directions will tell you what you need to do for the activity. We're going to learn about being mindful this week. We're going to be doing some mindful activities. Okay? For motor development, we're going to work on those hands and work on our names. So you're going to write your name in 3 different ways. And Mrs. Parent gave you a couple examples on the daily plan. But you can write it however you want. Some of my examples were, you can do one with a pencil. You could use a crayon. You could use a marker. You could make your name out of Play-Doh if you have Play-Doh at home. Or you can do the shaving cream on the table and use your finger to write your name. You could go outside and use chalk for one of the ways, or on a whiteboard, or in sand, or you could find a stick outside and use the stick to write it in the dirt. There are so many ways that you can write your name. So I want you to show me today 3 different ways you can write your name. I can't wait to see it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!